Hello students, welcome to all of you to this introductory class of fluid mechanics. This is your lecture number 3. Dear students, last few two classes we have taken introduction to the fluid mechanics, and we have seen what is the fluid properties and what are the types of fluid, what is Newton's law of viscosity and all this. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and today in this lecture module 2 analysis of fluid motion, here we will be discussing about the forces on submerged surface, forces on vertical and horizontal surfaces. Okay, when the fluid is immersed, so when the particular element is object is immersed in the inside the fluid, then what is the amount of force acting on that particular body, that can be calculated by the help of some formula. F is equal to rho g a is bar, where F is the force acting on that particular body, and rho is the density, g is the gravitational constant, and a is the capital A is the area of that body, and h bar is the center of gravity, distance from center of gravity of the body, and the free water surface. So here the main consideration should be there is not any kind of relative motion between two layer of the fluid. So we are considering the fluid when at rest. At that time we are calculating the forces on the submerged surface, submerged body. Okay, so main consideration is this. So as we know that the velocity or movement is zero, so we can say that du by du rate of shear strain is zero. So as a result we can say that viscosity also zero, and shear stress is equal to mu into du by dy. So here you will see that the du by dy is equal to 0, so that shear stress also it will be 0. So what is the learning outcome of this lesson? To understand the basic concept of force on submerged surface, forces on vertical surface. So this is the lecture number 3. I am Dhiraj Mondol, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering Department. So in this subject, you will know that what is the forces acting on a particular body when it is submerged in a in the inside the liquid. Okay, so let us see the lecture. Okay, thank you.